In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and add extensions in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find trusted extensions, add them to your browser, and remove ones you no longer need, all in a few simple clicks. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. You're looking for the official Chrome Web Store result from Google. It typically appears at the top and uses the chromewebstore.google.com address. Click that result to open the store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, use the search box to find the extension you want. Type its name or a keyword that describes what you need, then press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Click the extension you're interested in to open its details page. Take a moment here to review important information. Read the description to understand what it does, check ratings and the number of users, and look over the permissions and privacy practices so you know what access the extension will have. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation box will appear describing the permissions the extension needs. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will start downloading and installing it automatically. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and when it's done, you may notice a short message confirming the installation. Many extensions place an icon near the top right of Chrome. Some may open a new tab with setup instructions. Follow any prompts the extension provides so it's configured the way you want. Now let's remove an extension you no longer use. Look at the top right of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. In the small menu that appears, choose Manage Extensions. This opens a page listing all the extensions installed in your browser. Find the one you want to remove and click it to expand its options if needed. Then click Remove. Chrome will ask you to confirm so you don't delete anything by mistake. Click Remove again to finalize. The extension and its icon will be uninstalled, and it will no longer run in your browser. That's it. Open Chrome, find the official Chrome Web Store, choose an extension carefully, add it with a quick confirmation, and give it a moment to install. When you want to tidy up, use the puzzle piece. Go to Manage Extensions, select the one you don't need, and remove it with a confirmation. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more customized browsing experience.